Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, everybody, let's have a look. Ta-da! So, welcome to Miss Rachel's class. Let's have a look at the class rules. Okay, so I just want to say a huge congratulations and thank you to the 15 people who completed their homework and uploaded it to Google Drive. From class 2E10, that is Jenny, Zweeming, Dami, Ruby, Simon, Michael, and Kaki. Good job. From class 2E9, it was Kiwi, Kang, Huang Hai, Ming Huang, Mia, Leo, and Zaling. Good job, guys. You all completed your homework, so amazing work that. Now, let's have a look. Write the plural for each of these nouns. Number 1 is box. Who can tell me what is the plural of box? Raise your hand. Nuna.
Boxes.
Good girl. Can you spell it for me?
B-O-X-E-S.
Amazing. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Good girl, Nuna. Number 2 was brush, something we use to brush our hair in the morning. Simon, what is the plural of brush? Simon?
Brushes.
Brushes. Very good, Simon. Simon, can you tell me how do we spell brushes?
B-R-U-S-H-E-S.
Amazing. Simon, can you tell me why did we add ES to the end of brush and not just one S?
Because it ends with the letter C-H.
S-H.
Wait, no, S-H.
Very good. Well done, Simon. Good job. Okay, the next one is dish, something that we use to eat from. Leo, can you tell me what is the plural of dish?
Dishes. D-I-H-H-E-S.
Very good. D-I-S-H-E-S. Leo, can you use the word dishes in a sentence for me? For example, I help my mom put out the dishes for dinner.
I watch the dishes.
I wash the dishes. Very good. Well done, Leo. Great job. Okay, next is patch. So a patch is a small area of something. Lam, your hands up. Can you tell me what is the plural of patch?
P-A-T-C-H-E-S.
Good job. So how would we say that word?
Patches.
Patches. Very good. Remember, when we add es, it adds an extra syllable to the end. So we have patches. Very good, Lam. Well done. Okay, next is torch, something that we use when we go camping so we can see. Who can tell me what the plural of the word torch is? Hannah and Emma.
Torches.
Torches. Good girls. Can you spell the word torches?
T-O-R-C-H-E-S.
Amazing. Good job, girls. T-O-R-C-H-E-S. Okay, next is loss. How do we say the plural of loss? Michael, go ahead.
Loss.
Very good. Losses. Very good, Michael. Can you spell the word losses?
L-O-S-S-E-S.
Very good. Awesome work, Michael. Really good job. L-O-S-S-E-S. Okay, the next word is church. So church is a special place that some people go to celebrate and worship. Who can tell me what the plural of church is? Okay, let's go for Kiwi. Churches. Good girl. Can you spell it for me?
C-U-R-C-H-E-S.
Amazing. Good girl. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S. Okay, and the last one for this exercise is class. Who can tell me what the plural of class is?
Classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S.
Amazing. C-L-S-S-E-S. I have many classes to learn in today. Okay, the next part of our homework was this. We had to read these sentences and circle or underline this correct spelling of the plurals. So number 1 says, there are many foxes in the park. You can tell me. Quang Hai.
Foxes. F-O-X-E-S.
Good job. Why do we not spell foxes with just one S, Quang Hai?
Because foxes, when it has the X in the end of the word, we need to put ES.
Very good. It's got an X at the end of the word, so we must put ES. Good job, Quang Hai. Okay, number 2. I saw many birds in the trees. How do we spell birds? Let's have Kaki.
Birds.
Good girl.
I saw many birds in the trees.
Good girl. Now, how do we spell the word bird?
B-I-R-D-S.
Good girl. Amazing. Well done, Kaki. B-I-R-D-S. Number 3, we took photos of all the classes or class. What do we think? Leo. Wait, Leo.
Glasses.
Good. Well done. Classes.
Yes.
Very good, Leo. Amazing. Okay, wash and dry the dishes, please. How do we spell dishes? Dami.
Dishes.
Amazing. Well done. Dishes. It ends in sh, so we know to add es on the end. Okay, next. I saw many rabbits. I saw many rabbits last night. Jenny, how do we spell rabbit?
Rabbits.
Amazing. Good girl. Rabbits. Perfect. Okay, next. We use torches when we camp. How do we spell torches? Kiwi.
Torches.
Good girl, Kiwi. Amazing. Torches. Okay, next. Will you help unpack the boxes? How do we spell box? Tweety.
Boxes.
Amazing. Boxes. Because it ends with the letter X, we must add ES on the end. And last, can everyone say this sentence together? One, two, three. We will pull out all the weeds. Okay, how do we spell weeds? Kang, please can you tell me, how do we spell weeds?
Weeds.
Very good. Well done, Kang. Weeds. Perfect. Well done, guys. All right, let's get started with our actual lesson. Today we're learning about prefixes. Now, can anyone tell me what is a prefix? Well, then let's find out. What is a prefix? Okay, have a look, guys. Prefixes. A prefix is added before a root word to make a new word. So prefixes are letters that we can put before a word that completely change the meaning. Here we have pre, miss, re, and un. Now today we're going to focus on pre and miss. Let's have a look. Okay, I want everyone to say together. 1, 2, 3. Prefixes are letters that are added before a root word to change the meaning. The prefix pre means to do ahead of time or before. Example, preview, to see before, and pretest, a test given before instruction. Very good reading, guys. Well done. So the prefix pre means to do ahead of time or before. For example, preview. So if you go to see a preview, it means that you get to see a video before anyone else can. If you are given a pre-test, it means you're given a test before a bigger test or before instructions on what to do. Let's have a look at miss. Can everyone say together? 1, 2, 3. The prefix miss means wrong or bad. Example, misbehave, to behave badly, and misheard, not heard. Can you think of any other words with the pre or miss prefix? Write them in the chat box. So before you guys go to the chat box to write your answers, I want to ask you, who can use the word misbehave in a sentence? Kaki, go ahead.
Yesterday, my brother misbehaved with his mother.
Very good. So you could say, yesterday, my brother misbehaved with his mother. So that means he probably got in trouble for behaving badly. Good girl, Kaki. Who can give me a sentence using the word misheard? Okay, guys, I would want everyone to go to the chat box and write as many words as you can think of that have the pre or miss prefix. Go. Preview. We have pre-test, we have misbehave, and we have misheard. What else can we think of? So we need to have a word that has pre or miss in it before the word. Misspelling, very good, Kaki, amazing. Misspell, it means that you spelt something wrong. What else can we think of? Okay, I've turned off the chat box. Preview, good, well done, amazing work. Now, let's have a look. Here are some examples at the bottom. We have the words mismatch. misspell, misbehave, and misuse. The word mismatch means that two things are not matched together. The word misspell means that you have spelt something wrong. The word misbehave means that you are behaving badly or in a wrong way. The word misuse means that you're not using something in the correct way. Now let's have a look. I want everyone to say the first sentence together. 1, 2, 3. I hate when I blah 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 a word on my spelling test. Now what do we think? Which word do we think would fit in here? Teddy.
Misspell.
Good girl. Can you say the full sentence?
I hate when I misspell a word on my spelling test.
Very good. Well done, Teddy. I hate when I misspell a word on my spelling test because it means you get it wrong. Okay, number 2. If you your scissors, the teacher will take them away from you. So I'm going to Michael.
If you misuse your scissors, the teacher will take them away from you.
Great job, Michael. Why do you think the teacher would take away your scissors if you misuse them?
It means you play with them, but the teacher doesn't ask you.
Very good. And that can be very dangerous if you play with scissors. You might hurt yourself or someone else. Okay, number 3. Everyone saying together, Ben was wearing
Magic
socks.
socks.
One was blue and the other was white. What do we think? Zweeming.
Ben was wearing match socks. One was blue and the other was white.
Perfect. Well done, Zweeming. Okay, so Ben was wearing mismatched socks. So the ED has the T sound here. He was wearing one blue one and one was white. That means they do not match. Okay, number 4. When my mom and dad take away my iPad. Ooh, Kitty.
When I misbehave, my mom and dad take away my iPad.
Perfect. Well done. If you behave badly, maybe your mom and dad will punish you by taking away your iPad. So you can't play any games or watch any videos. Good job. Okay, guys, another practice, but this time the prefix is with the prefix pre. So we have preview, which means to see before, prepay, which means you've paid before, preschool, which means a school that you go to before another school, and prehistoric. Prehistoric means before history, before the end of our life. Okay, now number 1 says, my younger brother goes to 3 days a week. What do we think that could be? Quang Hai.
Preschool 3 weeks.
Preschool. Very good. Well done, Quang Hai. My younger brother goes to preschool 3 days a week. So preschool is the same as a kindergarten. I'm sure that many of you went to preschool before coming to Everest. Okay, next. I saw a video that was of a new movie coming out soon. Tweechy.
I saw a video that was a preview of a new movie coming out soon.
Perfect. Good girl, Tweechy. So many movies will come with a preview, which is a short little video that shows you a little snippet of what will be in the movie to make you want to go and see it. This is called a preview. Very good, Tweechy. Okay, not last. Number 3, to order a t-shirt for the chess club, we had to with cash. Dami.
Prepay. To order a t-shirt for the chess club, we need to prepay with cash.
Very good. Well done. So to order the t-shirt for the chess club, you have to prepay with cash. That means you give the money before you buy the actual t-shirt. Okay, number 4, shark was caught and scientists learned more about it. What do we think? Okay, can you go ahead and answer that?
This story shark was caught and scientists learn more about it?
Very good, Ba. Well done. A prehistoric shark was caught, and scientists learned more about it. What that means is this shark is a very old shark, dating way back before many, many years. Good job, guys. Okay, this is the last exercise that we have for today, and then I'll explain your homework. True or false? Read each sentence and decide if each word is used correctly. Circle the true or false. So number one says, a preview is what you see after the movie is over. What do we think? Is that true or false? Kang? False. It is false. Now, why is it false,
True
Kang?
false. Because you said that a preview is a short video.
Not because it's short, but it is a short video, but we see a
That is false.
preview before the movie because the prefix pre means before. Good job, Kang. Okay, so the answer is false. A preview is what you see before the movie, so not after, but before. Okay, next, I'm going to lower everyone's hands. Okay, number two. To prepare for a marathon, a person should train by running and stretching. So, a marathon is a race that many people run in. So, lots of people will go and run a marathon. Maybe they will run very far, like 10 kilometers. Now, what is the answer for this one? True or false? To prepare for a marathon, a person should train by running and stretching. Tweety, true or
True.
false? Good girl, well done. True. We should prepare by training and running and stretching. Good girl, Tweety. Number three, when I prepay for an event, I do not have to pay when I get there. True or false? Michael?
False.
False. Why is it false?
Because we need to prepare before we get there.
Exactly. So then that would make this, have a look at the sentence. When I prepay for an event, I do not have to pay when I get there.
If we prepay before an event, we do not have to pay when we get there, but
so then that would mean that this is true.
true.
Yeah, very good. When I prepay for an event, it means that you do not have to pay when you get there. So, for example, maybe you would pay online using a credit card. And when you get to the event, you already have paid, and you can show them your receipt or your ticket, and you go straight in. Okay, number four, a prehistoric animal is one that has not been discovered yet. Dami.
False.
False. It's false. The reason it's false is because, if it's prehistoric, it means that we've already learned about it in history. Okay, so we've already known about that one. Okay, number five, preschool is a place where students go after they attend elementary school. So elementary school is what you guys are in right now. Elementary school is what you go to right now. Everest is an elementary school. So is preschool a place that you go after we attend Everest? What do we think? Kaki.
False.
False. Good girl. We go to preschool before elementary school. Good girl. Well done, Kaki. Okay, guys, have a look at your homework. So have a look here. Word mistake. You tell me the meaning. If you're not sure about the meaning, I want you to use your computer to find the meaning online or your iPad. So we have mistake, misbehave, misplace, misunderstand, and mistreat. So I want you to think about what the meaning might mean. And if you're not sure, you can ask your mom and dad to help, or you look it up online. Then illustration, I want you to draw a small picture. Draw a small picture to help you understand what the meaning is. Next, the next exercise. Complete the following sentences with the correct word from the bank. If I the question, I always ask my teacher to repeat it. Mistake, misbehave, misplace, misunderstand, or mistreat. Then we have a similar exercise just like we completed now. Read each sentence and decide if each word is used correctly. Circle true or false. There is no possible way to correct a mistake. Is that true or false? Okay, so you circle. Again, if you do not have a printer at home, I want you to write it out. Write it out using your own pencil and your own paper, and then upload it to Google Drive. That concludes the end of our class, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.